got enough time to sort out all the fights.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to bring you a what's for dinner, 3 dinner ideas, and 1 dessert. The first dinner is jambalaya with shrimp, chicken, and sausage. The second one is the healthier version of pimento cheese sandwiches. And the third is Italian brown chicken, and we had baked potato with it. And then for dessert in today's video is really easy birthday cake cookies that you can whip up in minutes and with your toddler. So I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for more recipes. Let's get started. So the first recipe is a slow cooker jambalaya. What I'm doing is taking my chicken breasts and just cleaning them off. I used 2 chicken breasts for the slow cooker. They recommend about 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs though. My family loves chicken breast over thighs, so that is why I did chicken breast for this recipe.
Sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you.
You're then gonna take some sausage. They recommend about 1 pound. I do about 2 or 3 lengths of our sausage. I'm using the Cajun style andouille sausage. They recommend smoked, and I would try and find the smoked. They just didn't have it at our grocery store. I think that is why this recipe kind of was a little bit too spicy for my 2-year-old. Now you're gonna add a can of Rotel tomatoes with chilies undrained into a bowl. You're gonna add 14 ounces of chicken stock or chicken broth. You're gonna add a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. You're gonna add about 5 garlic cloves. I'm using the minced kind, and I'm doing a little bit less than that because my husband is not a big fan of garlic. I'm adding in about a teaspoon of oregano.
You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while.
A teaspoon of salt.
You're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough.
Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I'm adding in some Frank's Red Hot sauce. I recommend you guys do this at the end after it's been cooking and you have it in individual bowls. I think for me that is why this recipe kind of didn't work for my 2-year-old. It was too spicy and hot. Maybe adding the hot sauce at the end and not for your 2-year-old's food is probably best. Now you're gonna set this bowl aside and work on your vegetables. So I am taking 3 celery ribs and chopping them up.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place?
I'm also gonna dice up a green bell pepper. They also recommend onion in this. I had to throw away our onions just due to a salmonella crisis, so we did not have onion for our dish, but that is something the recipe recommends. I will leave the recipe link down below for you guys who want to follow the recipe exactly.
Listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what.
So you're gonna pour that tomato mixture over your vegetables, over your chicken, sausage mixture, and you're gonna cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 7 to 8. When your slow cooker is finished, you're going to just shred up that chicken that is in the slow cooker and make sure everything is mixed well together. Meanwhile, you're having your rice cook up. I'm using some microwave rice.
There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself.
Now the recipe says shrimp is optional, but I am making sure to have it for my family's dish. I am just going to de-peel off all those tails on the shrimp and kind of defrost it, get it ready for the crock pot.
My heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of? When we're young, stupid, and in love.
You're going to add the shrimp for about 30 minutes. And then you're going to also add your rice. And then it is pretty much ready to serve.
I don't think we got enough time.
But this recipe is so good. Definitely add in your hot sauce at the end and it would be more of a family pleaser. Now the next dish is our healthier pimento cheese sandwiches. We love these for lunch or special dinners. So in a medium bowl, you're gonna add about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I add a little bit more. Then you're gonna add a half cup of mozzarella cheese, 2/3 cup of Greek style yogurt plain, seasoning 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then gonna dice up half of a green bell pepper.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
You're then gonna add half of a diced red bell pepper.
No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. We're done now. No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought
Now the recipe recommends half of a jalapeno pepper. I do just a couple cuts of it, and even this was pretty hot for my husband, but it was so yummy. I love jalapenos, so just put as much jalapeno as you want. Make it optional, don't have it at all, whatever you and your family like.
We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know.
And you're just gonna mix all of that together to make your filling for your sandwiches.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.
Now this is when you would add your tomato slices, and you would also add bacon. I forgot to show you guys the clip of adding the bacon, but bacon makes the sandwich so good. I'm buttering the side of the bread to kind of make it grilled cheese-like on a pan, and these sandwiches are so warm, good, and delicious.
City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing with the wheels.
The next meal is our brown sugar Italian chicken, and I have decided to make a baked potato to go alongside with that. So I'm just poking some holes in there, buttering, or not buttering, olive oiling it up with some salt as well, rubbing that all together and getting that into the oven. And your baked potato will go into the oven at about 425 for about 50 to 60 minutes. So in a bowl, I'm adding some brown sugar, a packet of Italian seasoning, and some garlic powder. I will have all the ingredients down in the description box for you guys interested, and I'm just going to mix all of that together. So you're going to coat the chicken with that mixture, put it on a pan. You can do a cookie sheet, glass sheet, and just make sure you have aluminum foil down. You're then going to bake this at 425 for about 20 minutes. Since mine weren't fully thawed out, I did do mine a little bit longer, around 30-35 minutes. But once it's 165, 175 degrees, you should be good. And this was so delicious and good. And you can't have dinner without dessert here in my family. So we have birthday cake cookies for you. You're going to melt 6 tablespoons of butter. This recipe is so easy, guys. You can whip it up in minutes. You're then going to get any kind of vanilla or white cake mix and put that into your KitchenAid bowl. Add your melted butter.
Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time.
And a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And lastly, 1 egg.
I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you.
And now I have a helper to help with the sprinkles.
And I won't waste it.
Sure.
Yummy. It's yummy though. Look, let's bottle. But it's yucky.
So good.
But it's good. Yummy. Delicious.
It's delicious. Okay, whoop, whoop, whoop.
It's yummy though. Delicious.
Is it gonna be yummy?
Right underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you.
So these will bake in the oven at 350 for about 5 to 7 minutes. I kind of aim for 5 minutes to check them, You want them to have like a nice golden brown on the bottom and not have like burnt bottoms, all that kind of stuff. So I found that these are so yummy. Jackson loved them. Isaac said they're kind of on the sweet side, so it kind of just depends on your cake mix. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. I will link to What's for Dinner videos in the end screen, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.